Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about leaves inside the vase. You can see it in an arrangement over here. It is so lovely. Aspidistra, tea, any broadleaf hard foliage can be cut down and placed inside. But once you do that and you go back and add water, oftentimes there's these horrible bubbles, the air bubbles, those pockets. They aren't attractive. You'll notice there are none in there. Your tip for today, thanks to Bethany, because she was the one that shared this with me, just take a wire, feed it down next to the vase, and slide it past all those bubbles, and the air will escape, and no more bubbles. Now you know the pro technique.